Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to see how to make the negative form with the simple present tense. When you want to make a negative statement, we have two kinds of patterns to follow. And number one, which are I, you, we, and they. And number two, which are he, she, and it. Let's deal with number one. If the subject is I, you, we, they, we include don't, which is a reduced form of do not before the infinitive verb. Example, I like seafood. I like seafood. Negative form is I don't like seafood. I don't like seafood. Number two, with he, she, and it, we use doesn't, which is the reduced form of does not, plus the basic form of the verb. Example, she plays with her Barbie. She plays with her Barbie. Plays is in the simple present tense. Negative form is she doesn't play with her Barbie. She doesn't play with her Barbie.